Let's discuss replacing the stop lamp switch in a 2001 Honda Odyssey van. Now the first thing we're going to do is disconnect the electrical connector. Because of the location, I'm going to use a 90-degree pick to help release the locking tab and disconnect the connector here. The next thing we're going to do is take a 14mm open end wrench and release the jam nut, which is locking the depth of the switch into place. What that will allow me to do now is to back out the old switch. Once the old switch is out, we can take our new switch and thread it into the hole. Now we need to carefully adjust it until we feel a slight tension as it's resting up against the pedal. We want to make sure the lock nut is still released and not holding it tight. Now we can plug the switch in electronically, and with an assistant, press the pedal and see how quickly the lights engage. Now we will keep working that until we find the appropriate depth, and then tighten up the lock nut, locking it into place.